The automotive world is abuzz with excitement as Ford unveils the 2025 Model T, a modern reimagining of the iconic vehicle that once revolutionized transportation. This contemporary iteration pays homage to its legendary predecessor while embracing the advancements of the 21st century. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Model T masterfully blends classic elements with modern design cues. Its exterior features a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette, complemented by a prominent front grille that echoes the original's distinctive look. LED headlights and taillights provide a futuristic touch, while the body is adorned with subtle chrome accents, honoring the vehicle's rich heritage. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the new Model T is equipped with a state-of-the-art electric powertrain, delivering impressive acceleration and efficiency. Drivers can expect a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for both urban commuting and longer journeys. The vehicle's advanced suspension system ensures a smooth and responsive driving experience across various terrains. Interior comfort and technology. Stepping inside, occupants are greeted with a spacious and luxurious cabin. Premium materials, such as leather upholstery and brushed aluminum accents, create an atmosphere of refined comfort. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen interface, providing access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Advanced connectivity features, including smartphone integration and voice-activated controls, enhance the overall user experience. Safety and driver assistance. Ford has prioritized safety in the 2025 Model T, incorporating a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking work together to provide a secure driving environment. Additionally, a 360-degree camera system offers enhanced visibility, aiding in parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. Market reception and availability. Since its announcement, the 2025 Model T has generated significant interest among automotive enthusiasts and industry experts alike. Its blend of nostalgic design and modern innovation appeals to a wide audience. Ford plans to release the Model T in select markets, with pre-orders commencing soon. Prospective buyers are encouraged to contact local dealerships for detailed pricing and availability information. Price and availability. As of now, Ford has not officially confirmed the 2025 Model T's production or pricing. However, if such a vehicle were to be released, it would likely fall within the range of $40,000 to $60,000, depending on trim levels, features, and powertrain options. Given Ford's recent focus on electric vehicles, a modern Model T would likely be positioned as an affordable yet innovative EV. If launched, it could be available in limited markets initially, with pre-order opening in select regions before a wider rollout. Potential buyers should keep an eye on official Ford announcements for confirmed details on pricing and availability. Conclusion. The 2025 Ford Model T stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation and heritage. By seamlessly integrating classic design elements with cutting-edge technology, Ford has created a vehicle that honors its past while looking boldly to the future.